Well, happy Mother's Day, one and all. And for today's video, I'll be making a special Mother's Day recipe that comes from this vintage cookbook. What's special about this recipe is that the recipe was written by my mother. And it's for her special 7-layer salad. I gotta show you how to make it. This recipe could not be any easier, and it's one that I enjoyed from my childhood. Thanks, Mom. Well, let's start with a baking dish. It calls for a whole head of lettuce, but this is for a small crowd, so I'm just using some shredded lettuce on the bottom. Layer number 2 is some chopped celery. I used a couple stalks. Layer number 3 is some onion. I think a red onion would be a little nicer probably. Layer number 4 is a chopped green pepper. Layer number 5 is about a cup of frozen peas that you've cooked and chilled. Layer number 6 is my favorite layer. It's cooked and chopped bacon. The next part she doesn't really claim to be a layer. It's about a cup and a half of mayonnaise. We're going to mix that with 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will get spread on next. Then comes my second favorite layer and the 7th and final layer. We're covering it with a cup of cheddar on the top. This is so nostalgic. Now you just cover it and you chill it overnight. Ready for consumption. Mom's 7-layer salad. It's great. I think what makes it extra great might actually be the sugar you put in with the mayonnaise and the bacon. It's very tasty. I think the onion I used was a little strong, so I would probably go more for a sweet onion or a red onion. But overall, it's a great salad. And I'd give it an 8.9 out of 10. Thanks, Mom. Happy Mother's Day, everyone, and especially to my ma. If you don't remember her, here's a clip. Well, it's been a year. Time to dust her off.
Welcome to Jim's kitchen.
I started a new job as a tailor last week. It was so